Hello dear parents, I hope all of you are doing well. For this month's presentation, we have something special lined up for you. We are going to show how we as youth show empathy towards the elderly. As we all know, the aging population in Singapore is growing. Therefore, it is imperative for young ones to know how to treat them. In today's presentation, my friends and I are going to explain what empathy is and how we can display this quality towards the elderly. The term empathy is defined as the ability to understand and feel the feelings of another person. Empathy is important as it allows us to understand why a person may act in a certain way in a given situation. This can help us to respond appropriately instead of taking offense. What can help us to cultivate this quality to be empathetic towards the elderly? Well, we are going to discuss a few ways, and let us invite Krisha for the first, which is listening patiently towards the elderly. Each speaker will thereafter introduce the next. Krisha, you have our full attention.
Can you think of an instance when your grandparents have narrated long stories to you? Usually, we would instinctively hurriedly give them a response and to get on with our daily lives. I myself am guilty of doing the same. However, upon reflection, I realized that the elderly and my grandparents need someone to talk to them and be patient with them. By listening to them, we're able to show them that they are important and that we value them. Usually, the elderly feel neglected. By giving them a listening ear, we can show them that they are truly valued. This is an excellent way to show empathy. This is because being kind and showing empathy makes the elderly feel appreciated and fills their heart with joy. Imagine being all alone, being shunned by everyone, including your own family members, and having to live alone and having no one to talk to. Often, this is the case for most of the elderly. By recognizing this, we will be able to understand what they want. Most of the elderly yearn for someone to talk to. We can show them empathy by giving them a listening ear. Now, let's invite Shanice to show us how we can be kind towards the elderly.
When you hear the word kindness, what comes to your mind? Kindness basically means being nice and includes acts of generosity, consideration, or concern for others. And don't you think it is especially important to show this to the elderly? Many of the elderly struggle with simple tasks such as walking or using the bathroom. For some, waking up from bed in itself is already a challenge. Because of deteriorating health, they cannot enjoy their favorite food or activities. Therefore, when we put in the effort to show kindness to them, they really appreciate it. To help their staff display this quality, some hospitals and medical schools are implementing training programs for their staff where actors are told to play the role of elderly patients. As a doctor in training listens to their complaints, they are videotaped and later review their performance. Many of them are taken aback by how harsh they were. Therefore, this motivates them to display kindness towards older ones. We shall now invite Rania to the stage.
So, in conclusion, what can we bring home today? Well, we learned a few ways we can show empathy towards the elderly. We need to imagine and feel how the elderly feel and put ourselves in their shoes. We have to listen to their opinions and struggles. we should display some kindness towards them too. I hope this presentation motivates young people to show empathy towards the elderly. I hope all of you enjoyed this presentation and learned something new. Thank you for your time and have a good day.